Let's say you want to join a pre-built PD system as an employer. Here's how easy it is. First, head over to the PD Able directory and search for the system you want to join. In this example, my business is a registered training organization, and I want to manage my staff's continuing professional development. So I'm going to join this one called RTO Professional Development. Simply click the Join Now button and sign up. Next, fill in your organization details. Now let's take a look at the Getting Started checklist. This helps make sure everything is set up properly so your PD system runs smoothly. It might look like a lot at first, but most of these steps are really quick. Organization setup. First up, your organization details. Some things are already done for us, so let's do the logo. I've got that ready, so I'll upload it now. And the PD system. That's already selected because we chose it when we joined. Nice and easy. Admin team. Next, let's check the admin team section. We'll open up a couple of these items to see what's required. Set access roles. This is where you define your organization's email domain. Basically, anyone with this email domain can connect with your organization. The one that's already here looks good, but you can always add more if needed. Great, let's jump back. Invite admin people. Here you can invite other people to help manage your PD program. I'm going to add my assistant who helps run the program. Done. Once they accept the invitation, I can assign them the appropriate admin role. Next is billing. Adding a credit card is straightforward. You can also choose who receives invoices and billing notifications. For now, I'll receive them, but you can easily invite an accounts person later by adding their email. Now on to the PD program section. The most important item here is the Rapid Onboard link. This is the link you can share with your staff so they can quickly join your PD system and start recording their CPD. Let's activate that so our team can get started. You can also send staff invitations directly from here if you prefer. Add content. Finally, we have Add content. This is where you can support your staff by adding CPD activities, resources, and learning opportunities. We'll cover that in another video. And that's it. Your organization is set up and ready to go. Now it's time to get compliant and move your team forward with professional development. Thanks for watching.